everybody, today on Henry's How To's I'm going to show you how to make lemon butter chicken thighs. Let's get straight into it. So we'll start off with 2 chicken thigh fillets. To this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we'll just give that a mix. And we'll just cover this with some cling wrap and place it into the fridge for about half an hour. So we'll start by adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to our pan. And we want to get that nice and hot now. Once the oil's nice and hot, we'll add our chicken straight in. And you want to hear that sizzle straight away. And what we want to do is cook on a medium to high heat for about 5 minutes on this side. After about 5 minutes, we'll go ahead and flip our chicken. Just look at that beautiful sear. So at this point, I'm going to put a lid on and we'll cook for another 5 minutes on this side. After about 3 minutes, we'll take the lid off and I'm just going to brush our chicken with some fresh rosemary. Or you can use thyme if you prefer. We'll place that on our chicken, put the lid back on, leave it for about another 2 minutes. So we're at the 5-minute mark now and that's looking beautiful. Now if you're in doubt, you just want to get a thermometer and make sure it's at 74 degrees Celsius. But just by touching it, it's nice and firm and that's what we want. So I'm going to take the chicken out and let it rest. Alright guys, so while our pan is still hot, you don't want to wash it. We want to leave all that chicken juice in and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of salted butter. And we'll add just a few pieces of broccolini to this. And all we want to do is cook all this together. We want to let the broccolini absorb all that flavour. And at this point we'll turn our heat off. There's enough heat in that pan to cook the broccolini. And we'll add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And just a bit of cracked pepper. And now we're getting left with a beautiful caramel butter lemon sauce. And it's time to serve. So we'll start by plating up our broccolini first. And we want to create a nice bed just in the center of our plate. And we'll place our chicken thighs on top. We'll add just 1 sprig of our rosemary, not too much. And let's finish it off with our beautiful lemon butter sauce. And just look at that. How beautiful does that look?